Windows are an essential part of your home, offering natural light, ventilation, and a connection to the outside world. However, over time, even the best windows begin to show signs of wear and tear. In Ferndale, where seasonal weather changes and the occasional storm can put extra strain on your home, keeping an eye on your window's condition is crucial. If you're unsure whether it's time to replace your windows, here are 5 signs that might indicate it's time for a change. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is the presence of drafts or air leaks. If you notice a significant temperature difference near your windows, such as cold air in the winter or warm air in the summer, it's likely that the seals around your windows are failing. These air leaks not only make your home less comfortable but can also cause your energy bills to spike. Drafty windows allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter, causing your heating or cooling system to work overtime. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient options can help regulate your home's temperature and reduce energy costs. Condensation between the panes. If you notice condensation or fog between the panes of glass in your windows, it's a clear sign that the seal has broken. This often happens in double-paned windows, which are designed to create an insulating barrier of air between the panes. When the seal fails, moisture can enter, leading to fogging and condensation. Not only is this unsightly, but it can also reduce the insulating properties of the window, making your home less energy efficient. If cleaning the window doesn't fix the issue, it's time to consider a replacement. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Windows that are difficult to open or close can be a serious hassle. Over time, the hardware and mechanisms that allow the window to slide, lift, or tilt can wear out or become misaligned. If you find yourself struggling with stuck windows or if they no longer open smoothly, it could be a sign of significant wear and tear. Additionally, windows that don't seal properly when closed can leave gaps, letting in drafts or moisture. Replacing old, worn-out windows with new models will improve their functionality and security, making it easier to enjoy fresh air when you need it and ensuring the window closes tightly to prevent energy loss. Visible damage or decay. Visible damage, such as cracks, chips, or rot in the window frame, is another clear indication that it's time to replace your windows. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause wood frames to warp, rot, or become infested with insects, while metal frames can rust and weaken. If your windows have sustained significant physical damage, they may not provide the insulation and protection your home needs. This type of damage is especially common in older homes in Ferndale, where windows have been exposed to years of rain, snow, and temperature fluctuations. Replacing damaged windows will not only enhance the aesthetics of your home but also restore its energy efficiency and security. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. While functionality is crucial, the appearance of your windows plays a significant role in your home's overall curb appeal. If your windows are outdated, faded, or mismatched, they can make even the most well-maintained home look drab. Modern windows come in a variety of styles and colors that can complement your home's architectural design and improve its exterior appearance. Whether you're looking to increase your home's value or simply refresh its look, upgrading to new windows can give your home a facelift. Choosing energy-efficient and stylish windows will not only enhance your home's curb appeal but also provide long-term benefits. Conclusion: windows are a crucial part of your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and appearance. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, drafts, condensation, difficulty opening or closing, visible damage, or outdated style, it may be time to consider replacing your windows. In Ferndale, where the climate can be unpredictable and energy efficiency is essential, investing in new windows can help you maintain a comfortable home while saving on energy costs. By replacing your windows, you'll enjoy a more beautiful, functional, and energy-efficient living space for years to come. Don't wait until the damage becomes worse. Address window issues now to protect your home's integrity and your wallet.